Hello, my friend. Welcome to the Easy English Guide. I'm Sam. Let me ask you something. How many times have you started learning English full of energy, feeling fresh and ready, thinking this time you're finally going to become fluent? You tell yourself, from today I will study every day, practice speaking, and learn new words. And then what happens? Your work gets heavy. Your family needs you, your schedule fills up, and your mind gets tired. Slowly, that excitement disappears. It's not because you don't want to learn English, it's because your life is already full. If this sounds like you, trust me, you are not alone. Millions of learners feel the same way. They start strong and suddenly feel guilty because they cannot keep up. Today, I want to talk to you honestly, not as a teacher, but as someone who understands your life, your responsibilities, and your daily pressure. I want to show you how to stay motivated to learn English even when you're extremely busy. Not by studying harder, but by studying smarter. Not by forcing yourself, but by creating a routine that fits your real life. Let's talk like two friends who genuinely want to improve, grow, and keep moving forward. First, let me tell you something most people don't realize. You are not losing motivation because you are lazy. You are losing motivation because you are human. Think about it. When you come home from work tired, when your mind is full of responsibilities, when you're thinking about bills, deadlines, or family needs, do you think your brain will say, "Let's study grammar for 1 hour"? Of course not. Your brain always chooses comfort and the easiest, safest option. And that is completely normal. Instead of blaming yourself, understand the real reason. No one can stay excited every single day. Even the most successful people don't feel motivated all the time. They just have a strong reason behind their goals, a reason powerful enough to pull them forward, even when they are tired. Every learner who succeeds has something in common. They know exactly why they are learning. It's not just, "I want to improve English." That sentence is too general, too weak. Your why must touch your heart. It must mean something to your life. So ask yourself honestly, why do I want to learn English? What will become easier if I improve? What doors will open for me? How will I feel when I can speak confidently? Who will I become? Maybe you want a better job or to study abroad. Maybe you want to give your family a better future or travel without fear. Maybe you want real confidence when you speak. Your why can be big or small, but it has to be true. When you have a strong why, you don't need motivation every day. Your reason becomes your energy, your push, the voice inside saying, "Come on, let's do just a little today." Write your why somewhere visible, on your phone, wallpaper, mirror, or notebook. Something simple, like, "I am learning English for my career. I want to speak confidently in meetings. I want to travel without fear. I want to give myself more opportunities." When you see that reminder every day, even when tired, it wakes something inside you. It reminds you that English is not just another subject. It is a stepping stone to a bigger goal. That feeling, that purpose, is what keeps you moving. Let's talk about goals. Most people fail not because they don't try, but because their goals are too big and unrealistic. Think about someone who says, "I will study English for 2 hours every day." Sounds impressive, but after a long day, 2 hours feels impossible. When you cannot do it even once, guilt sets in, and that kills your motivation. Instead, create small, clear goals that fit naturally into your day. For example, I will learn 5 new words today. I will watch 1 English video during lunch. I will read 1 short paragraph before I sleep. Small goals remove pressure and make learning feel light. They make you feel successful every single day. And when you feel successful, you build a chain of consistency. A short daily habit beats a long weekly habit every time. When learning English becomes part of your daily rhythm, even for 5 minutes, it becomes natural, just like brushing your teeth, checking your phone, or drinking water. You don't think about it, you just do it. And that is what creates real progress. Here are some tiny pockets of time in your day that usually get wasted. Waiting for your tea, waiting for a bus, waiting for someone to reply, or scrolling on your phone without purpose. These moments are golden. If you use them wisely, you don't even need a full study session. Your entire day becomes your classroom. For example, when waiting for food to cook, listen to a short English clip. When walking somewhere, listen to a podcast. When sitting in the car, repeat some phrases out loud. When lying in bed, review a few flashcards. These moments are short, but they add up. 5 minutes here, 7 minutes there. By the end of the day, you may have practiced for 20, 30, even 40 minutes without realizing it. And the best part? You don't feel pressure. Learning simply becomes part of your lifestyle. The smartest learners do not create separate time for English. They blend it into things they already do. If you enjoy listening to music, switch to English songs and immerse yourself in the lyrics. If you like watching videos, follow English creators who make learning fun. When scrolling social media, follow accounts that teach English in inspiring ways. If you cook, learn the names of ingredients and actions. When you commute, turn on English audio and let every moment be a chance to improve. When you do this, something magical happens. English stops feeling like a subject and becomes a natural part of your day. You're not studying English, you're living with it. Improvement grows on its own. Many learners believe they need long hours or perfect conditions to succeed. But most successful learners study in small pockets, 5, 10, 15 minutes, because small moments are easier to show up for. The easier something is, the more consistent you become. You don't need a big schedule or long study sessions. You need frequent, small touches. Consistency beats intensity every time. Even a small task like learning 3 words triggers a reward signal in your brain. Yes, I did something today. That feeling becomes motivation. You repeat the small task, and momentum builds naturally. Don't underestimate small efforts. They are the reason people succeed. Every person learns differently. Some learn best by listening, some by watching, some by speaking, some by writing. Some need interaction, some need repetition. Many learners fail because they follow methods that don't fit their personality. If you hate reading long texts, but someone says, "Read 1 hour every day," you'll feel frustrated and unmotivated. Not because English is boring, but because the method doesn't fit you. Choose a style that feels natural. If you enjoy listening to music, switch to English songs and really immerse yourself in the lyrics. If you like watching videos, follow English creators who make learning fun and engaging. When you scroll through Instagram or TikTok, choose accounts that teach English in a way that inspires you. If you enjoy cooking, take the opportunity to learn the names of ingredients and the actions you perform. And when you commute or walk, turn on English audio and let every moment become a chance to improve. Make learning enjoyable. Use challenges, quizzes, flashcards, or apps that keep your brain active, curious, and consistent. Technology can be your best friend or worst distraction. Thousands of apps, videos, and AI tools let you learn anywhere. In bed, on the bus, during a break, or while walking. Use them with intention. Don't scroll aimlessly. Spend time on content, pronunciation, or conversation. The tool is the same. The purpose makes the difference. Learning isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. How you feel matters most. Stress, pressure, or boredom blocks learning. Curiosity, interest, and fun open your brain and accelerate progress. Learning alone feels heavy. Community changes everything. Sharing wins, seeing others practice, and learning together builds encouragement, inspiration, and pride. Track progress every day. Write small wins, new words learned, minutes spoken, phrases understood. After a month, look back and see real progress. That progress motivates you, even on busy or tiring days. Celebrate every win. Rewards aren't childish, they are psychological. Every reward links learning with enjoyment. Don't shy away from feedback. Honest guidance helps you improve, and positive words remind you of your growth. Feedback shows gaps you cannot see alone and pushes you forward. Your environment and mindset matter. Surround yourself with supportive people. Speak freely and make mistakes. Fluency comes from repeated practice, not perfection. Confidence grows from action. Design a light daily system. Keep notebooks, playlists, microtasks, and English content around. Small, consistent exposure beats occasional marathon sessions. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your journey is yours. Improve 1% every day. Progress is personal. Now it's up to you. Every journey starts with one step, and the difference between giving up and moving forward is simply taking that step today. Don't wait for motivation to find you. Start where you are, with what you have, and watch your English grow naturally. If you're ready to take control, join our community, share your progress in the comments, and subscribe for more practical tips. Remember, consistency beats intensity, and your small actions today will lead to big results tomorrow. Let's make this journey together.